Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to hide apps on Redmi 17. To hide apps on your smartphone, you have to open the security application on your home screen. Scroll down to the very bottom of this page and select Hide Apps. Then switch the toggle next to the applications that you want to hide, and if you want to access them later, you simply have to swipe two fingers like this on your home screen, and you'll get the access to the hidden apps. You can also enable app lock for these applications, and you can hide notifications from them. You can add more apps by tapping right here and selecting the other applications that you want to hide. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.